Here in the Midwest, jeans aren't just part of every man's wardrobe, they're actually part of every man's daily uniform. In fact, some guys I know actually own no other pants except jeans. Well, the guys who make the most famous wax jacket in the world, Flint and Tinder, also have some pretty great denim offerings as well. But are they any good? Let's find out. Welcome to Stray Reviews. I'm Lee, and I'm here to help you find the best men's lifestyle gear and apparel. Today, we're looking at 3 of Flint and Tinder's most popular jeans, ranging in price from $98 for kind of a no-brainer daily driver to $198, a whole $100 more, for USA made and sourced salvaged denim head type jeans. I'm gonna go over the fit, feel, and materials of these jeans, and then I'm gonna let you know which ones I like the best. If you wanna take a closer look at any of these, I'll leave a link down in the description below. Okay, let's start this roundup off with the Flint and Tinder Everyday Stretch Denim in Driftwood. I got these in a 3330 slim. I am 165 pounds and I'm 5'8". The Huckberry sales page describes these as super handsome and soft as hell. They're made with a 13.5 ounce 4-way stretch denim that is 94% cotton, 4% polyester, and 2% elastic. They come in slim and straight fits in 4 different color washes. They have a YKK zipper, and they're outfitted with Flint and Tinder antique metal shanks. The Everydays are made in China, and they sell for $98. Of the 3 jeans today, I'd have to say that these are my favorite fitting. They're snug without being too tight, and I never have to worry about the butt sagging on me, which is an issue when you're my age and you don't have much of a butt left. They also nailed the length on these perfectly for me. They fall just right at the top of my foot without leaving a break, and the leg opening is right where I like it. I really like the overall look and craftsmanship of the Everydays, and they are definitely going to get a lot of wear out of me. The fact that these are made in China might be kind of a turnoff for some people. I've had a number of comments about people not wanting to wear boots in China. However, that $98 price tag means that I'll probably actually wear these a lot more because I tend to get paranoid that I'm gonna ruin my clothes when they have a higher price tag. The Everyday stretch denim jeans are great for anyone looking for a bang for your buck, great fitting, high quality pair of jeans, and just doesn't care if they're made in America or not. Okay, next up is the Flint and Tinder All-American Stretch Denim in Dark Vintage Overdye. I got these again in 3330 slim as well, just like the Everydays. The Huckberry sales page describes these as handsome and comfortable as hell. So you might have to decide between soft as hell or comfortable as hell when you're making your decision. The sales page doesn't give any information about the weight of the denim, but they do have a substantial feel to them. They're made from 95% cotton, 4% polyester, and 1% spandex. The All-Americans come in 4 different fits. They come in slim, athletic tapered, straight, and relaxed. And they also come in 4 different washes. These come with Flint and Tinder antique metal buttons, tucked belt loops, and are chain stitched at the hem. These are made in the USA and they sell for $158. Like the Everydays, the All-Americans are a great fit. They're snug in all of the right places. However, they are just a tiny bit longer on me than the Everydays, and I find myself cuffing these more often. I really like the vintage overdye color, and it kind of allows me to dress them up or down depending on the situation. Of the 3 jeans today, I feel like these are the softest, at least to me. So maybe they should be described as soft as hell and the Everydays should be described as comfortable as hell. But in my opinion, these actually are both. Either way, If you like your jeans soft and comfortable, then tap that like button for me. These jeans are great for anyone who loves a high quality pair of jeans that are almost as soft as joggers, and they like their gear made in the United States. All right, lastly, we have the American-made Vidalia Salvaged denim, and this color is called medium. They're currently only available in a straight fit, and the only 33s they have available are in a 32 length, which means that these will be going to the tailors because I'm just not that big of a fan of a huge cuff. These are made from 14-ounce, 100% cotton denim from Vidalia Mills in Louisiana, and they have no stretch to them at all. They are a salvage denim, and they have a little salvage ID on the 5th pocket. They're also quadruple stitched at the hips, reinforcing them where they need it most. The American-made Vidalias are also pre-shrunk or Sanfordized, so the fit that you get when you first put them on should match what you're going to get after you wash them. They currently come in 2 different washes and only in a straight fit. The Vidalias are made and sourced in the USA and sell for $198. However, as of this recording, they're on sale for $128, making them, in my opinion, a pretty good deal. It's been a while since I've worn non-stretched denim, and having these on were a pleasant surprise. They felt a lot like my Levi's did back in my high school days. I'd say that the fit is a bit looser on me than other straight fit jeans, almost leaning a tiny bit towards baggy through the legs, but they do fit well at the waist. The sales page says to wait 3 to 6 months to wash to get the best break-in, and then to hang or lay flat to dry. However, the care label says to just go ahead and tumble dry. For me, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just throw them in the dryer. Please don't hate me for that. They do seem pretty tough, and I'm okay if they just maybe shrink up a tad. But they shouldn't, since they've been Sanfordized. Hey, what's your normal rigid denim washing routine? Do you even have one? I know some people don't even wash them. Let me know down in the comments below. The Flint and Tinder American-made Vidalia jeans are great for anyone wanting to get into traditional American-made salvage denim, the ones that feel like the ones we used to wear back in the day. And they're a great deal at their current sale price, and hopefully by the time you see this, they'll still be at that sale price. All right, I'm gonna give you my bottom line and my favorite, but if you're getting some value out of this, then I want to invite you to subscribe to the channel so that you'll catch my upcoming reviews. Okay, the bottom line is that Flint and Tinder's denim offerings are an excellent choice, depending on what you're looking for. Although personally, I would really like to see some more raw denim offerings coming from Flint and Tinder. My personal favorite of these 3 offerings is the everyday stretch. I know that some people are going to disagree because they're not made in America, and others will prefer the salvage offering, but the fit and feel of the everydays just has me reaching for them the most often. And the lower price tag doesn't hurt either, though the All-Americans really do come in a close second. But for the everydays, that lower price tag really doesn't hurt. But at the end of the day, the best jeans are the ones you'll wear. If you want to see more reviews, then check out this one here. I want to thank Huckberry for providing all these jeans for review. My opinions are my own. And I want to thank you for watching. I'll see you over in the next video.